Welcome to the day of the Great Animals Dance Party. Once upon a time in the enchanted forest, in a vibrant and colorful forest, where the sun smiled down on the flowers and the trees whispered secrets to the wind, lived a group of joyful animals. Each day was filled with laughter and play, but today was special. It was the day of the Great Animals Dance Party. All of animals take turn, one by one, present their dance performance. Puppy Mimi take the first presentation. It is jumping dances. The next dancer is Kitten Kiki. Present the dance with the butterfly. And then we got Bunny Mimi to perform the candies dance. Now we invite Twins Lion Dance together. Lastly, we got Dearie Swan present their dance on the pond. As the sun began to set, the animals waved goodbye to each other, full of happiness and cherished memories. And so, the Great Animals Dance Party came to an end. Thank you for joining us in our joyful party. Remember to click like and subscribe to Kids Blue Sky Story channel for more wonderful stories.